Okay, so I just received my first SHEIN order. Like, this is the first order I placed on SHEIN. So let's see if what I ordered is what I got. So I ordered on the 9th and today is the 19th. So it took 10 days. So my first SHEIN order, what? Yes, for the thumbnail. So we're going to, this is a raw reaction. If I don't like it, you guys will see it. To be honest, the reason why I have never ordered from SHEIN is I'm just so scared. I am so scared. Okay, so I ordered press-on nails because, you know, I was like, let me order something that is low risk, and if it's not good, it's okay. And I also ordered a bonnet because I've never had a bonnet. Okay, so this is what I ordered and this is what I got. Okay, let's see the quality. The quality. To be honest, it is very, how is it called? It's very light. Yes, I do understand that this is polyester being advertised, you know, as silk, you know. So it's okay. Like, it's all good, I think. So I have a bonnet right now. So the material is very light. I won't lie, it's very light, but hopefully it will protect me and whatnot until I get a better bonnet. If you're out there and you would like to gift me a bonnet, thank you. A silk bonnet. Silk. Anyway, let's move on. Ooh, I got press-ons. I love wearing press-on nails. Press-on nails are it because one, I do get bored of nails pretty quickly. So if I have the opportunity to change my press-on nails, I will change it. Like the last press-on nails that I had, I will insert them here. I had them for 1 week and I was really like, get them off my hands. So I ordered press-on nails. The first press-on nails that I got, so this is what I ordered. And this is what I got. So I got the handmade nails. I think I'll just open them right now. Let's see. Let's see how if it is, okay, it's advertised it is thicker than like acrylic nails than the 24 nails that they sell on SHEIN. And it comes with the nail file. So it also comes with sticky tabs. I personally don't like sticky tabs. I like the nail glue, and the nail glue that I got is, it sticks for 2 weeks. Wait, I have to show you. Okay, so these are the first nails I got. I expected them to be more blue. The color looks off. I don't know, but maybe when I put them on, it will look better. But to be honest, it's not giving water vibes, because this is why I got it, because it was giving the waves, the ocean. But yeah, so this is the first. Okay, so moving on to the second set of nails that I got. So this is what I ordered and this is what I got. Okay, so let's check it out. So this is giving summer. I wanted it to give summer. So it comes, yes, all of them come with the nail sticky tabs, the nail file. So I'm not going to repeat myself, but this is what I got. Let me show you a proper view. Okay, so with these nails, I think I got the colors that I expected it, because it is as shown in the pictures. Maybe I will put a top coat on just to make it pop more. But I love this. I love the colors. We'll put it on. That will be the true test on how good these nails truly are. Okay, so moving on to the third set of nails that I got. So this is what I ordered. And this is what I got. Okay, I also wanted this to give summer. You know, I am in an island. Hint, hint. Maybe I will go to an island. Ooh, I actually love this. So this is what I got. Let me show you. Okay, so these are the nails. I think it is what was being advertised. I actually love them, but maybe a top coat will make the colors pop out more. But I love this one. This is what truly I got. So love, love. Okay, so last but not least, this is what I ordered, and this is what I got. Okay, so let's unbox this. I actually like this. This has even the Ziploc bag, which is cute. But let's see how the quality of the nail is. Wait. Okay, so this is how they look. Definitely got what I ordered. So Umi Studio handmade nails, you'll see me again. I love the quality. I like the color on it. This is more vibrant than the other one, so I love this. This was value, and it's good. Okay, so this is what I got. Ooh, I actually like this. Like right from the jump, I like it. There's a flimsy job on one nail, but that's okay. But this is truly what I ordered. It feels like very good quality press on nails. I think I will stick to this supplier. I love this. This already, like, they feel good. They feel hard. They feel like they are gonna be strong. Even the weight of them feels, you know, they stamp. Okay, so the last set of nails. So this is what I ordered, and this is what I got. So from Umi Studio, let's see what you have for me. Is it the same? Is it the same quality like the previous one? Is it the same? Is it the same? Or are you just catfishing me? Love it! I saw, okay, Umi Studio, you have impressed me. You have impressed me, my love. You have impressed me. The thing is, where the true test will be is when I put them on. That's the true test. But let me show you before I check how good the quality is. But I love these ones. The color is giving summer. It's giving pretty. It's giving cutesy. It's giving like I deserve to be on a beach. Hint, hint. To my boyfriend out there. Anyway, let me show you if I get all too excited. Okay, so these are the nails. Definitely love them. Definitely what I ordered. Definitely love, love, love them. So Umi Studio, I'm coming back. I'm impressed. Okay, so that was it for this video. My first Shein order. Shein. Yes, my first Shein order. I'm impressed by what I ordered. And it's my size. So I can't wait to put them on. So let me know if you guys want a live demo on how to put this on. But definitely, I love them, especially Umi Studio. The quality is so strong. It's so strong. I love it. The colors, love, love. So everything will be linked in the description box. I will also share it on my LTK and shop mine, so you can try them out. But the ones I have seen here. Umi is the one you should try out. So that's it, guys. Bye bye.